I study in third class. Today I am here to showcase my Punjabi culture. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab. Its favorite food, sarson da saag and makke ki roti. Thank you.